Hello all. This is a simply shaped but much larger double face hammer that I'm working on for a customer. This hammer head weighs about 3.5 pounds and is made from SK2 steel, and I normally wouldn't venture into working such larger steel. But coincidentally, I have another customer who's wanting a hammer tongue for a similarly sized hammerhead, actually bigger than this even. So I figure if I'm working on one, then I might as well work on the other. So other than the hammer tongue, this customer wants another larger than I'm used to making tongue to hold his big rounds for making his hammers. This tongue, as well as some others, including the one I'm going to make for this video, is for a good customer, Matthew Branson, and his sons, Alexander and Grayson. And this hammer is for Steve Wallace down in Australia. I need to make a little extra room in my newly lined forge. I'm definitely not set up to work on larger stuff. This piece is 55 millimeters, but his stock is going to be 57 millimeters or thereabouts. These pieces that I'll use for what I call my Z-style tongue are medium carbon. I need to give a big shout out to two guys for their recent, very generous donations. They are Kevin Fedig and Mike Llewellyn. I also need to shout out Stephen Watkins for his most recent super thanks donation. I really appreciate it, fellas. Thanks a lot. As you can see, I'm using whatever I've got around me, sort of flying by the seat of my pants. My smaller standard Z-style tongs are the style I probably sell the least of, but I really think they're one of the best tongs for handling specific sizes of rounds from one end, be that 3/8, ½ inch, 5/8, or 3/4 inch. See why I had to make sure I had enough room for this larger size tong. When I see myself in the video here just doing a little old tappy, I want to tell myself just hit the dang thing. Given that I don't have and couldn't find a piece of 2 1/4 inch round, or roughly a little more than 57 millimeters, I'm not exactly sure how well this will work. And looking at it now, I might have flattened the jaws more, but I don't think that would have made a huge difference. So here's Matthew and Son's tongs. He's got this bent knee flat tong, and the bent knee style is probably my favorite. And here's Big Z. How effective will this tong be? Time will tell. For me, making bigger tongs without resorting to using bigger stock is always a challenge. I'll catch you guys next time.